Namaste friends, I am Dr. Sunil Modi, Senior Interventional Cardiologist at Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. I am sure all of you are aware that heart diseases are responsible for maximum number of premature deaths all over the world, and heart failure is responsible for maximum number of recurrent hospitalizations. Heart failure is most of the time the end stage of majority of the heart diseases, and it requires very careful diagnosis and uninterrupted supervised treatment. My appeal to all of you in this stressful period of corona pandemic is that if you are a heart failure patient, you must not forget or ignore to continue the optimum treatment which has already been prescribed to you by your cardiologist. In any case, we at Apollo Hospitals have resumed all our activities in the outpatients and inpatient, and we are all prepared to treat complicated cases of heart failure with the device therapies like biventricular implantation and AICD implantations. Our cardiac cath lab is already back in gear to do all kind of complex cardiac intervention, and of course our surgeons are there to do all kind of advanced surgeries. I wish all of you the very best of health during this difficult time of corona pandemic. And finally, I am here to remind you that we at Apollo are absolutely corona safe hospital with all SOPs in place and in practice. I wish all of you the very best of luck in this testing time, and thank you very much.